Hello friends, welcome to Infinite Coaching Classes. Today we are going to discuss History Civics Chapter 3, The American War of Independence. So let's see. Fill in the blanks. Britain set up its first colony in Dex, North America. Answer is 1607 in Virginia. Next question. The colonists resented the taxes imposed on them and raised the slogan Dex. Answer is no taxation without representation. Next question. The Dex Act sought to ban the prevalent bills of exchange and paper currency of the American colonies. Answer is currency. Next question. In the American War of Independence, the Britain forces were led by Dex and the American forces by Dex. Answer is Lord Cornwallis, George Washington. Next question. The Declaration of Independence adopted on Dex was written by Dex. Answer is July 4, 1774, Thomas Jefferson. Next question. Match the following. The Quitting Act. Answer is obliged the colonies to pay for the expenditure of British troops deployed in the colonies. The Currency Act banned the prevent bills of exchange and paper currency. Stamp Act imposed a tax on legal documents. The Sugar Act banned the import of rum from overseas countries except from England. The Boston Tea Party. Answer is organized under the guidance of Samuel Adams. Next question. Answer the following questions. What was the mercantilist policy of the British? Answer is Britain followed mercantile policy according to which the colonies extended mercilessly to colonies existed merely to serve the mother country. The colonies provided the raw material and supplies which could not be produced at home and served as markets for the finished goods. Mercantilism was also against the establishment of self-government for colonies. The colonies resisted this mercantilist policy of colonial exploitation. Next question. How did the British attitude towards the American colonies lead to the War of American Independence? Answer is the British believed that America was their colony and the colonies, being English natives, must serve their mother country. It was for this reason that the government in the colonies was brought under royal control. However, the Americans no longer wanted to remain subservient. They wanted to protect their American identity, which they had developed over the years. Thus, it was a contest between imperialism and colonial home rule. What made the American colonies to raise the slogan "No taxation without representation"? Answer is the colonies responded by claiming that they alone had the right to tax themselves through their assemblies and that they were not represented in the British Parliament. They raised the slogan "No taxation without representation." Next question. State briefly the Boston Tea Party incident. Answer is: the American War of Independence was triggered off by an incident known as the Boston Tea Party. In 1773, the British Parliament passed the Tea Act, which permitted the British East India Company to sell tea directly to the colonies. The colonists demanded that the British government should withdraw the tax on tea. In some cities, the colonists refused to permit the unloading of tea. Under the guidance Samuel Adams, a few Americans disguised as porters boarded the ships of East India Company docked at Boston port, picked up 340 boxes of tea and threw them into sea. This action was supported by a large section of the public. What was the significance of the Declaration of Independence adopted by the Continental Congress on July 4, 1776? Answer is: on July 4, 1776, the Continental Congress adopted the Declaration of Independence, written by Thomas Jefferson. The Declaration emphasized that all men are born equal and cannot be denied the right to life and liberty. It asserted the people's right to form their own government. It was also stated in the Declaration that henceforward the Americans were free to take authoritative decisions independently in all matters of war, peace, truce, and business, which are the rights of an independent state. Next question. Summarize the factors which lead to the American Revolution. Answer is: the American Revolution was the first political revolution in which the people of the 13 British colonies freed themselves from the yoke of foreign rule and won the right to self-government. Factors: belief in democracy and human freedom, mercantilist policy followed by Britain, removal of fear of French attack amongst the colonies. British attitude towards the colonies. British restrictions on the manufacture and sale of certain commodities and new taxes imposed on the colonies. How was the American Revolution a contest between imperialism and colonial home rule? America, initially a settlement of 13 British colonies, settled along the east coast of North America. These colonies were under the control of the British government, which kept a tight control over the economic affairs of the colonies. The governor of the colony was a British appointed by the British government who governed the colony in the interest of Britain. This caused great disappointment among the American settlers. The American Revolution thus was a contest between imperialism of Britain and the aspiration of the American colonies. What is federalism? Explain how it operates. Answer is: federalism is the United States is the constitutional division of powers between U.S. state governments and the federal government of the United States. Since the founding of the country, and particularly with the end of the American Civil War, power shifted away from the state and towards the national government. The progression of federalism includes dual cooperative and new federalism. Federalism is a form of political organization that seeks to distinguish states and units them, which assigns different types of decision-making powers at different levels to allow a degree of political independence in all overarching structure. Federalism was a political solution for the problems with the Articles of Confederation, which gave little practical authority to the federal government. For example, the Articles allowed the Constitutional Congress, the Continental Congress, the power to sign treaties and declare war, but it could not raise taxes to pay for any army, and all major decisions required a unanimous vote. Explain the significance of the American Revolution. Answer is: significance of the American Revolution lead to the independence of 13 American colonies, which joined together to form the USA, affirmed the principles of democracy and liberty. Emergency of federalism gave the American civil rights like several rights like freedom to speech, religion, and justice. Gave birth to the democratic system, which gave the Americans the right to vote, marked the defeat of imperialism and the birth of nationalism, infused a new vigor into the anti-colonial struggle in other parts of the world. What's to know? A group of people who are not professional soldiers but who have had military training and can act as an army. Answer is militia. Next question. A European intellectual movement of the late 17th and 18th centuries, which emphasized reason and individualism rather than tradition. Answer is enlightenment. The concept that developed during the Renaissance period in Europe and emphasized the importance of man in the affairs of the world. It glorified man and his dignified life. Answer is humanism. The form of government in which the people elect their representatives to run government. Answer is democracy. Next question. The practice of acquiring full or partial political and territorial control over one country by another. Answer is colonialism. The policy of domination over another country's economic, political, and military structures without taking governmental control. Answer is imperialism. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you.